I have found a place where I can pour my heart. I have found a place where I can be myself. A place where a place where I can be safe after it all. Baba, with you, Lord, I can be naked and not ashamed. With you, Lord, I can be open and have no fear. For I found in you a friend that I can trust. That is why you remain my great physician. With you, Lord, I can be naked and not ashamed. With you, Lord, I can be open and have no fear. Jesus, was I found in you a friend that I can trust. That is why you remain my grace. In 1 minute, can you be vulnerable in His presence? Cry out and shout to Him. Pray in other tongues if you can. Wherever you are, just open up yourself right now and just begin to speak in other tongues. God is already here. I want your voice like the sound of many waters. Open up your mouth and open up your mouth and shake it out. That is why you remain my great peace. When the doctors were sleeping, that is why you remain my great peace. When the doctors were not picking their calls, that is why you remain my great peace. Full of weakness and everything, but you strengthen me. That is why you remain my great peace. For I found in you a friend that I can trust. You cannot gossip me. For I found in you a friend that I can trust. You hold me and you love me. For I found in you a friend that I can trust. That is why you remain my great peace. As I have found a place where I can pour my heart, I have found a place where I can be myself, unashamed. A place where there are no secrets to hide. A place where I can be. Baba, with you, Lord, I can be naked and not ashamed. My God. With you, Lord, I can be open have no fear, for I found in you a friend that I can love. That is why I know what this song has dealt with me. That's why I'm staying on it. Flow. That is why you remain my great peace. For I found in you a friend that I can trust. That is why you remain my great peace. With you, Lord, I can be naked and not ashamed. That's right, my God. With you, Lord, I can be. Have no fears. For I found a friend that I can trust. That is why holy, holy, holy are you, Lord. Holy, holy, holy are you, Lord. The elders and the angels bow to redeem, worship you now. Oh, wherever you are, just begin to speak in other tongues. Wherever you are, allow him to touch you. 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 Lord, it is me, the one you love. Lord, it is me. Lord, it is me. I'm the one you said. Lord, it is me. I am desperate for you, God. Oh, everywhere, 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 everywhere. I am Lord, I am here, the orphan boy. I came to worship you. Lord, we are here, the ones you picked. Lord, we are here. We are desperate for you, God. We are open to you, God. Yeah. So 247. That's right. Every day. That's right. You come through for me. I had no essence, had no meaning. Lord, you showed up for me. What did I do? What did I do to deserve this love? What did I do to see that you're right? What did I do to deserve this kind of love? What did I do to deserve this kind of love? Jesus, I had no money, I had nobody, but yet you showed up for me. Jesus, I had no godfather, had no godmother, but yet you showed up for me. What did I do to deserve this kind? What did I do? sing it out, everybody. Come on. What did I? Come on, sing it out. To see what did I do? What did I do to deserve this kind of life? What did I do to see that you're right? Obinigwe, oh, call his name. Obinigwe, oh, Obinigwe.
Saibanana huli, alumba bahade, alumba nete hita, aiparatande, senefide na, aipanate yele, sevili ya paria, paria natwa,